Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Daddy Easy here. Not gonna go into an intro. Basically gonna show you, like I said in my previous video, how to set up the shortcuts so you can get the ROG Xbox Ally and ROG Xbox Ally X Xbox button, basically to get it done as the shortcut on your Legion Go 2 or your Legion Go S or your Legion Go. Yes, it can work on the Legion Go and the Legion Go 2. Well, the reason why I could work on the Legion Go is because you can actually use the Legion Go 2 joysticks on the Legion Go. Lenovo made it swappable, so you can actually use the Legion Go 2 controllers on the Legion Go, and you can actually use the Legion Go controllers on the Legion Go 2, like that, vice versa, like that. That's a good thing. I like the way Lenovo did that. That's actually something good. So basically what you want to do is you want to open up the Legion app store, whatever you want to put it, Legion Go, Legion store, Legion app, whatever you want to do. Just hit that button right there to pop it up on here. I wish at the time you could actually change this out. Most likely you'll be able to do this at a different time. Just watch this out, because this is left and this is right, so yeah, it does different things like that. So once you're inside here, the first thing you want to do is go into controllers, as so. You want to hit button map right here. So you just want to do your button maps right here. So once you're inside button maps, you will see your gamepad right there, going towards where it says view ed layout. So you want to click on that. So what you want to do is we want to add these two right here. So these buttons, basically what it do is just that does that as so, and this just brings you back like that as just a quick thing. So what we want to do is we're going to open it up so we can actually do it as a way to open up the Xbox app very quick. So what we want to do is we want to tap on this one. So we're going to modify this one right here. So we're going to do a fast what's the word I'm looking for? We want to do a macro. So you're not going to go to this one. You're not going to go to keyboard. I mean, you can probably go to keyboard and do it like that, but it's only one button press for that number pad like that. We want to do is set up a macro right here. So what we want to do is we want to erase that D and just put G right there. So once you do that, you want to hit Y right here. You can use the tap on touchpad like that and do it, but I just find it faster doing like that. Next, we want to add this one right here. So you want to just hit this. Let me back that up. It kind of went into the thing too quick. Hit that right there. So what we want to do is we want to wipe all this out. We want to do Windows and we're going to do Tab. So we're going to hit confirm. There we go. And now what we want to do is just minimize this. Now when we minimize it, when you hit that button, you go straight into it like that. And so now we can mess with all the other settings just like that. Just like that. And you want to go straight into it. You can go here. You can go straight into the full screen experience if you want to. Or you can just go here, hit library. But if you go home or hit library and stuff like that, it's not going to put you in the full screen experience. It's just going to throw in the Xbox app. Same thing like that. If you hit that, it's going to bring you to the Xbox app instead of going to the full screen experience, which I want to show you real quick. That's all it's going to do. Not going to throw you to the full screen experience. So let's just knock that out. Bring this back up. Even if we go home, same thing. It's not going to bring you to full screen experience. Let's just exit back out of here. So you want to do that, go here into full screen experience. You want to get this set up. Now I have a shortcut for that actually automatically turns it on towards that. So if you don't want to go into the Xbox app and you want to just go into the full screen experience real quick without have to accessing the game bar like that just to get to the Xbox app, I'm going to show you how to actually do that. So we're not going to do a reset. We're just going to click on this real quick like that. Bada boom, full screen experience right there. We shut down the Windows. Actually, we didn't shut down the Windows. Windows is still running in the background. But now we have the option to do that. So it's just like the Xbox button. Now we can bring up the game bar just like that. So let's do this real quick. Let's do this. Click OK. Now I'm gonna show you how to access game the thing really quick. So we're gonna go back into the Legion app again. So let's just click on that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this really fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off that G real quick. And I'm going to leave window F11. Hit confirm. Minimize that. So now when we do it, straight there, get into that thing real quick. So we automatically get into the Xbox app. I don't have to worry about the game bar, mess around with the game bar just to get into full screen experience. Do it really quick. I mean, any way you put it is fast or whatever the way you want to put it, but going directly like that is really quick. So let's just hit that real quick. And we're going to just put that back towards that to G, hit confirm, make sure everything's set. Now you can change the back buttons if you want to remap it already. I got to remap these back to how I normally play my games. Normally when I'm playing like Call of Duty and stuff like that, I have my buttons like that. So I got my touch slide. So basically these two buttons right here. This one, I believe close to the middle right here would be my slide button. So if I do this one, okay, I'm sorry about that. So if I was to do this one, that would be my right click. And this one up top will be my jump. Just like that. And there we go. And there we go. Got everything set up. So when I'm ready to play my games and I'm playing Call of Duty or Fortnite, I got my button set up. Also, if you like this case, I have a video showing you about this case. It actually helps me a little bit of grip, so I don't accidentally keep hitting these buttons right here. Also the buttons right here. And I kind of like this case because when I'm actually holding on to the things and I just hit something real quick. No, we don't want that game. I don't know why that actually popped up. We do have a little thing, the way how this is, to actually stop this. This is a button that you can actually push, or you can actually just cut this part out if you want to access the little bumpers if you want to. But it's up to you if you want to cut it out or if you want to keep it like that. If you cut it out, you just get the spaces like this, so you'll be able to touch it a little bit better. But it's just a little bit better so I don't actually hit the buttons when I'm playing or if I'm like that. If I want to be able to access it, only thing I have to do is just put a little bit of pressure on it and just push my hand in like that and activate this right there. I mean, it's something, I love it. So, all right, guys, I'm going to catch you guys later. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang, and I'm going to catch you guys later. Yeah, this is going to be my second video that I do for the Legion Go, on the how-tos for it, fixes, and all that other good stuff. Subscribe, thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, become part of the DYZ gang, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.